Do you feel that scalping in Forex is difficult and can be stressful? It could be because you haven't learned this strategy yet. This is one of the scalping strategies that can help you earn consistent profits every day. Open your TradingView and then go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type in RSI Swing Indicator. Then simply choose the RSI Swing Indicator from this creator. Now, make adjustments to this RSI indicator. Go to the Input tab and then change the RSI length to 8. Next, change the RSI overbought value to 80. After that, change the RSI oversold value to 20. Once you've finished making the changes, just click OK to save them. This RSI Swing Indicator will be used as your guide to place orders in the market. Aside from being a guide to place orders in the market, this indicator will also provide information about the market structure that is forming. For example, during a bearish trend, the market structure will form lower highs and lower lows. According to this trend, you will place a sell entry at the lower high point. Hello traders, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. Scalping is often considered the most aggressive technique in Forex trading. However, if you know how to catch the best momentum to place a buy entry or sell entry, scalping can be one of the fastest ways to get in and out of the market. In this video, we will share one of the scalping strategies that can help you trade in the Forex market, gold or XAUUSD, crypto, and various other assets. Besides being usable in various markets, this scalping strategy is also very accurate when used on different time frames, starting from 1-minute scalping, 5-minute scalping, and 15-minute scalping depending on your needs. We will explain in detail how to use this indicator, how to set up accurate entries, and how to manage take profit and stop loss to stay safe and profitable. So make sure you stay with this video until the end. And don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing. Now, add the second indicator that will be used in this scalping strategy. Go to the Indicator Search tab and then type in Ripster EMA Clouds. Then, simply choose the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator by Ripster 47. After that, make some adjustments to the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator. In the Input tab, set the first short EMA length to 100. Then set the first long EMA length to 200. Next, remove some of the visuals we don't need. Uncheck the boxes for Show EMA Cloud 2 and Show EMA Cloud 3. Once done, just click OK to save the changes. We will use this EMA Clouds indicator as a trend guide in the market. If the EMA clouds are green, that is a sign of a bullish trend. In this condition, you will only look for the best point to place a buy entry. Meanwhile, if the EMA clouds are red, that is a sign of a bearish trend. In this condition, you will only look for the best point to place a sell entry. To confirm the signals that appear, you can add one more indicator. Go to the Indicator Search tab and then type in Williams Fractals. Then simply choose the Williams Fractals indicator from TradingView. The function of the Williams Fractals indicator is to confirm the signals that appear in the market. The red arrow will act as a confirmation signal for a buy, while the green arrow will act as a confirmation signal for a sell. Now let's talk about how to place buy and sell entries using this buy-sell indicator on TradingView. How to place a buy entry. If the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator is green, that's a sign of a bullish trend. In this condition, you will only look for the best point to place a buy entry. Wait until the RSI Swing Indicator shows a higher low signal. Then, wait until a red fractals arrow appears. Make sure the candlestick that forms is a bullish candlestick. If everything is confirmed, you can place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the tip of the lower fractals indicator. Use a take profit target based on a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. How to place a sell entry. If the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator is red, that's a sign of a bearish trend. In this condition, you will only look for the best point to place a sell entry. Wait until the RSI Swing Indicator shows a lower high signal. Then, wait until a green fractals arrow appears. Make sure the candlestick that forms is a bearish candlestick. If everything is confirmed, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the tip of the upper fractals indicator. Use a take profit target based on a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology, because no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.